Erin. It's a new bike. Bigger and very small. I'm loving the rain actually. Yes. Look at this. Everywhere rain. So big rain. That's good. Bangkok rain. And I'm liking it real good.